Around the world, there is a significant number of people with disabilities who need assistive technologies, from simple electric-powered wheelchairs to high-tech intelligent devices. They need these technologies for mobility, empowerment, dignity, and overall well-being. Mobility can enable a wheelchair user to be independent, to access education, healthcare, employment, and to have equal opportunities. However, the majority of the clients have limited access to these facilities due to a lack of financial resources. In fact, according to international reports, more than 80% of people with disabilities live in poverty. And about 80% of people with disabilities live in developing countries. In other words, the main problem facing those who need powered wheelchairs, especially in developing countries, is to secure financial resources. Research shows that due to the high prices of powered wheelchairs, paying off the products in installments could be an affordable option for many people who actually need these wheelchairs, but in many cases, a valid and credible bank guarantee cannot be offered to the sellers. This has led to sellers being reluctant due to the risk of the clients not paying their debts, along with the potential additional costs and time to get their money from the clients. Consequently, in developing countries, almost none of the sellers and producers provide hassle-free financing options for people with disabilities. The eventual existing result is that only 5 to 15% of those who actually need wheelchairs have access to one. As a smart solution to this problem, we have introduced an advanced controller with unique features for powered and intelligent wheelchairs. The most important features of this product are intelligent identification of user consumption pattern and management of the credit of consumption. In other words, the controller benefits from a smart management system for payment of installments, which asks the user to enter activation codes proportional to the usage pattern. If the activation is successful, the user may continue to use the system. Thus, the controller provides an infrastructure for the installment plan without the need for conventional bank guarantees to ensure payment of installments. In fact, the technology itself is the guarantee for the payments from the customers. Multi-layered protection and safety strategies to comply with standards, as well as several unique features using our activation engine, have created a new generation of amazing products and endless possibilities. You might want to use an installment plan for special devices such as stair climbing or rough terrain powered wheelchairs in developing countries. This infrastructure is quite a solution. With this technology, when a customer buys an advanced power wheelchair in installments, in case the customer has duly paid the installments on time, the seller or producer will provide a limited activation code that enables the use of the powered wheelchair until the next payment. This process continues long enough for the installments to be finished. Afterwards, the seller provides the customer with an unlimited activation code, which makes the device permanently usable. Also, the system warns the user in advance when the due date for the payment of the installment is approaching. In case the user does not enter the required code on time, the controller renders the device inoperable until the relevant code is entered. This subsystem is responsible for a part of the higher control level inside the wheelchair controller, which makes a new generation of controllers for various assistive devices, from simple to high-tech intelligent powered wheelchairs. This method of activation and management of the payments stands alone without the need for back batteries or an online connection to a server. The innovative controller provides several unique and user-friendly features in addition to the activation codes for installment management. These intelligent features are patent pending. We are MITECH Development, a startup company located in Avicenna Technology Center of Amir Kabir University of Technology. We are a team of experts in electronics, robotics, and control with years of experience. We especially focus on drives technology in healthcare and assistive applications. We have spent years conducting research to develop reliable, safe, and efficient technology of powered wheelchair controllers. Now, after several years of high-tech research and development, we're going to accelerate our project to be used in developing countries, which represent about 80% of the people who would need such devices.